Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're literally unboxing. Why ke le motho so? Why ke le motho so? It's like a motho. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chanel Steenkamp. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. Period. Okay, so today I'm all smiles because who's making noise? Who's making noise on my vlog? Okay. So today I'm all smiles because I got some delivery. Okay, so let's see which one are we opening first. So we're gonna be unboxing. Picky Mabelani Sala gentleman, big boy, Makaka big boy, inch, a little bit of a circle. Papa, how utu badi secretary guy, one. So you go out. So we're starting with this one. This one. Yay! Okay. Let's open the box. The box. Guys, I've been waiting. I've been waiting. Like, I wanna see. Did I just do that? Sorry. Guys, I've been. Mind you, I'm using my phone to vlog and I don't have any tripod, anything. So I've been. Let's see. So it comes with a mic. Testing. This is where I'm gonna be putting my phone. Oh, this is my tripod. Oh Lord, I don't even know how to use this. Okay. What do I do? Guys, let's just say I need to like work on those things because I don't know how to use this thing. This is, I think, the ring light. I think it's the light. Yeah, I think this is the light. And then yeah, man. Guys, I'm gonna assemble it. And then I'll show you guys. Just give me 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Guys, there's no instruction. Like, yes, there's nothing. Like, they say 3.5 microphone socket. Okay, I'm gonna need to call someone to come help me because I can't. Like,
1 hour later.
guys, I figured out how to do this. I literally figured out how to open my tripod. But there's no instructions, so it's gonna take me time because I'm not like a technical person. I don't even know how to do this thing. I need a man in my life for this kind of things. Like, this is not the job. Okay, then what else? Okay, there's this. Okay, wait. Yo. Okay. Guys, this is not what I applied for. This is not part of the deal. Okay, let's actually open another box. Actually, I need to work. Like, how do you give me those things and you want me to assemble it? In which world? In which world does it make sense for you to give me this? But anyway, I'm so happy because I'm happy laugh along and live. Then we can just talk here. Hi guys. Prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. Yay. Okay, let's open another box. We'll come back to this thing. Let me take off my glasses because you know what? Ke nyaka go di bona pila ka leihlo la diferkekere. Tshwantse ke re so but ke tlo ba dimyo ke etsa. Okay, one box out. Re tla ka this box. That is Tandili. I know his voice even in my sleep. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in. Put there. Oh. I can. But this is not your watch.
It is.
It's not. The box is not the same. The box is not the same.
It's a volcano.
It's volcano.
Yeah, but it's for guys.
I spy with my little eye.
Oh, it's exactly mine.
It's exactly yours.
Yes. Open it inside. You'll see you'll get the small box like mine.
Okay.
Mine came exactly like that.
I bought this other friend of mine, the special friend of mine, this gift. Nigga, wherever you are, I hope you love this. It's expensive. Hey, I could have bought 5 kg ya whoop, 5 kg ya chicken, plus brown onion, plus tamati. I could have kadala, but like this is. Can I open it? Am I allowed to open someone's gift and see, like, just to visualize it and close it? Like, but what if it doesn't work?
It will work.
If you're not my friend, you're missing out definitely because I buy the best gifts. Best gifts. Okay guys, I need to pixie this to the owner. I hope you love your gift and I hope you're having a fabulous day on your birthday. Let me sing it. Happy birthday to you. Happy bye-bye. Happy birthday. And then the last thing. This one was about priority. I literally ordered this yesterday. And I got it today. Priority. Oh, being a student is something else. Guys, I'm a volcano baby, hey? Like, you know. Okay, let's see. I'm so happy. I'm literally so excited. I love gifts. I love gifts. Okay, I don't like unboxing because what is this? Okay, no, you know what, ne? I can't. Okay, no, this is not it. Oh, they look so voluptuous. so sound delicious, so loud delicious, so block the noise. Oh, Wednesday, prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. Let's see. Do you get the vibe? I can't hear you. I can like guys, like you look at it. Okay, the noise reduction. It's a makua. I could receive. It's not gonna receive. Guys, like I'm so excited. And then I have one thing that I bought, but actually this one I can take a lot. So yesterday I was so lazy to go and buy certain things. So I asked this other friend of mine to go buy me something called Truettes. Let's fetch the gift. Let's fetch. Okay, it's not a gift because I bought it for myself. Actually, all of those, they're not gifts because I bought them for myself. But, okay, except the watch. But to me, anything that comes inside a box, it's a gift. It's a gift. Okay, guys, let me fetch my parcel. Give me a few moments. So, guys, here's the parcel that I asked a friend of mine. A friend, okay, an acquaintance of mine to buy for me. Go through it, man. Give na munna, give na toya laba, give na toya laba. Guys, like, we understand the whole visa. Okay, but like you understand the whole visa, like me, and like. So give it the mura the sugar the goragara like give it so demure. So guys, give na na like when you know really cute tomorrow got classing. Oh, actually no, I'm feeling visualizing those like. Shabana he matata gana kia. Shabana no yo. Excite. Arbon. But how do you wear headphones on top of a bucket head? Or do you wear a bucket head on top of the headphones?
I've never seen anyone with headphones and a bucket head.
So I have to choose. So I have to choose. Guys, wait. Yo. Okay, let's put it like this, ne?
No, the pay is so small.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Nah, I don't have much. I just need to fix this, to assemble this. Let me not say fix because it's not broken. You can't fix what's not broken. You can't fix what's not broken, so devil because anyway guys, I'm gonna okay, so now that I have like vlogging kit, my vlogs have to like improve, you get me? The quality has to improve. The quality has to improve because I can't be doing vlogs. Like now, I didn't have anything for lighting. Ring light, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, and you know what? So I used to struggle because I used to like I normally use natural light. It was cool. So I normally use natural light. So now at least can I like something for vlogging. I just need to figure out how to assemble it, and then I will show you guys how it looks when I'm done. Finally, I can be okay. Let me move. Finally, I can be me. It's so cute, right? Like something like a battery. Moral of the story: I don't need a man. I just need a boy in my life. Because I was about to throw those. I don't know where. Okay, that's. Oh yeah, I also got a gift when I was looking at this event. Let's see what's in the bag. I got a book. Guys, like, kirato journal, ne? Yo. Squasela. Kirato journaling. Yo.
Sounds perfectly fine.
Ne?
Yes, not English.
I also got this. Oh, la. Like, ambassador. Like, halimpona. It's very notebook. Little batolo. Little act as a ambassador. Kita biar this thing ya si beauty como rauha phone ya ga kita tshwara so. Like when that's file ba nna le di phone tsa le these things como rauha di phone ba na le show off right ba tsama ba tshwara phone so. Ke tsama ke re so. E phepholla ba no. Phone ka tla me phepholla mo moyeng. So sorry, man. Can I little pen like hey ke le ko dinthong ke ba serious like ke nyaka ba bontsha gore guys shy bona ha le pila like ke ngwana sepility. And guys, that's it from moi. I need to clean, iron, sleep, wake up, go to class. Yeah. If amongst my followers there's someone interested to have a housewife who will come with a degree, please DM me. I'm like, I'm a housewife. You are bophelo. Kadala. Bye for now.